Okay, let's go!
Pinilig ba kayo? Pinilig ba kayo? Sabi ko sa'yo.
6:10. Hindi, okay na, sige. Run trip tayo. Dito. Wala din entrance. From their seat sa aming relatives, di ba? So, sila mo una, Ateneo Lo, Sisip Lo. Mic check yung ano, RF ng MC.
Ano ba? Sanay ako doon.
Okay.
Alam, basta kabisado mo lang kung ano.
Alright, let's get to work.
Pinilig ba kayo? Sabi ko sa'yo. Ano ba sweet?
Ano gusto mo? Anong gusto ninyo post? Yun!
Thank you so much.
35 minutes. Okay, let's go!
Our program will resume in just a few moments, so once again, use this opportunity. Give a big round of applause for James! From growing up video to all grown up. More daw, more! Ilang beses na kami nag-uusap throughout the time. But it really our best man as well.
Tagal ko po nagsasalita, kausap ko si James katabi.
First question, tas kamay lang, is correct!
Kasi sobrang easy.
Let's get the party started right now. Ladies and gentlemen, get on the dance floor!
Congrats, brother.
Congrats.
Okay na, quit na tayo.
Next time. Bye. Thank you, ah. Ingat, guys.